Good morning, guys. Today I'm sharing how we spent our day on Sunday. Ta-da!
Mama.
Welcome.
Oh, my bubble.
Say hi to everybody. This morning I woke up hoping that I can edit video before she wakes up, but she woke up really early because last night I told her that we were gonna go to the picnic, and then the first thing she said was, "Mama, can we go to the picnic?" You remembered what Mama said? Oh, what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Before we go to the picnic, we're gonna make strawberry muffin. Yeah, I'm hoping to make a little easy lunchbox also
A lunch
with the muffins so that we can eat
with
them.
one. I don't know if I can.
Yes, you can.
No.
To make the strawberry muffins, I used the recipe from this tutorial. I just used strawberries instead of blueberries. I'll leave the link below, so check it out if you're interested. Add all the dry ingredients. Mix, mix, mix. And add all the wet ingredients.
Dun dun.
Alright, so now we mix.
What did I mix? No, Daisy, I'm getting Daisy.
Okay, look.
Ah,
Let's set this aside and we're gonna make crumble.
crumble. That's why Mama crumble is very good.
Oh, it's very yummy. I add all the ingredients in a bowl, and as option I added freeze-dried strawberries this time. Like this.
Mom, can I do that?
Yes, please. So I didn't do this for blueberry muffins, but I mixed in a dash of granulated sugar and a dash of flour in the sliced strawberries, because strawberries are a lot more soggier than blueberries, and by doing this it gets less soggy and get closer to like pie filling texture. And this time I mixed in the slices like this, but I didn't like the texture at all in muffins, to be honest. So I baked again yesterday without mixing in and just placing them on top before adding the crumble, and it was much better. So I highly recommend to do so if you try this recipe. Just like that, sometimes I try new recipes on weekends so that I can share with you guys on YouTube, but I tend to make something really quick and easy on weekend because I have her. Bye-bye muffin.
Bye-bye, muffin.
Lily, look.
What?
Look at the muffin. Wow, it's nice.
Slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that.
It is done.
My finger. Look, Mama. Look.
What's that?
Yes,
It smells so good. What song is it?
I don't know.
I don't know. It's an original song.
Yes.
Wow. I know it's so loud. You're very loud.
Go to the park.
I'm just making lunchbox.
Oh, for me. Thank you, Mama. I'm so proud of you. You made it for me. Mama, Sharon is Karen. I want to show us, Mama. I want to show us, Mama.
Kawaii. Cute.
I'm not gonna figure it because I don't know.
You like it?
Yes.
Ray Ray.
I Captain Mama.
Hey Captain, are you ready?
I Captain Mama.
Let's go.
I Captain Mama.
Yes.
I don't want to talk.
So we're here. She's asleep.
No.
You wanna go? Wanna sleep?
Where should we go?
Wanna go this way?
Mama, can we sit right here?
Now let's go to the forest again. I know. Let's go across the road. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Take it faster than a heartbeat. If I caught a glance, run to you like nobody was watching. But it's so hard to get to you. 'Cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. It wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near. Countless thoughts of you.
One for Mama.
No, Mama.
Oh, Mama.
Thank you.
Hey, Mom, can we eat this? It's a cheese.
No, it's an egg.
Break the distance.
Mom, that's a big tree.
It is.
Oh, Mama. Oh. Juggle on some.
Just a little bit smaller pieces for him. No?
This song? Oh.
You want to understand it.
Mama, smell it.
Though it feels like
Smell it.
got stranded.
Doggy.
See you face to face without a screen cutting through. Buckets of water, millions of clouds,
Eat it.
miles of road just to get where you are.
Yummy.
It wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near. Countless thoughts of you being here. I wish it wasn't so
Oh, look at that. Mom made a mess.
break the distance.
Oh. Thanks, Mama, baby. This one. You gotta hold it like this. See?
Clouds, will you please
Hey, buddy.
help me out? I need to go and see them now. Pick me up off my feet. I know that it's crazy,
How is
but
it?
I'm ready with my suitcase.
Hey, Mama.
Will you please help me
Hold on.
out? I need to
I
go
don't want.
and see them now. Pick me up off my feet. I know that it's crazy, but I'm ready with my buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles
Yeah,
above where you are. I wish
Go with your mom.
the
whole thing.
thousands
Right
of
here.
dollars just to be near.
Good job.
The thoughts of you being here. I wish it wasn't so.
Yeah.
Break the distance.
Yeah. It's so close.
Take my hand and
Don't push me.
Why?
look at the paintings and the sky.
Wing, wing.
Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want
Mama, I started this.
been here a million times, so I know my way around.
So while I was washing dishes, I cut my finger and she flew in and said, I'll help you. I'll do it.
Dr. Lily. Oh, I will do it. Dr. Lily.
But I'm just content.
Thank you.
I got a milk mustache.
Let's go to an art museum. I'll explain it at the coffee shop. No, you don't need to fret it.
As if you hold
She loves to role play and now she's
Sundays.
copying how Mama is
She
talking
wants
on the
to
phone
be
sometimes.
on the
Let me
buttons
know if you guys
box.
understand what she's
And
talking
the
about because
first
I
gets
have
a
no idea.
robot. And there's a robot hunts. Cause
Make me smile.
Mama, we're talking.
You talking
And my sister.
to your sister?
Yes.
You have your sister?
Yes.
Oh, your Mama's sister.
No.
What is she saying?
She say, konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Say hello.
Konnichiwa.
What time is it?
It is 5:30. No. Yeah, almost 5:30. Almost time to eat. And you should sleep early today. I'm so sleepy.
The money.
I started feeling super tired, as you can tell. I wanted to dive on the bed and just pass out.
Mama, can you hold the phone?
Hey, sister, how are you? Yep, Riri is here. She's amazing. Yeah. Auntie says she misses you.
Oh, Auntie, Mom got a boo-boo.
Oh yeah, Mama I got a boo-boo. And Dr. Lele took care of it. Alright. Have a good night.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Sayonara. So I knew I wouldn't want to cook dinner tonight, so I made extra for the lunchbox so that I can eat them for dinner. And this is the mapo tofu I made a day before. For Ray, I made a very mild one. So just like that, I often make extra so that I do not need to cook every single time.
Thank you for coming and thank you for trying to do anything to make me smile.
Come here. She missed taking a nap today.
I don't want to take a nap.
Because we were outside. We had so much fun and just ate dinner. And we are going to take a bath and get ready to sleep. So I was going to work on editing my video after I let her sleep, but I fell asleep with her, of course. We slept at around 8:30, so I woke up early and editing a video here. So that was how we spent our day on my day off, Sunday version. It's a very different type of video from usual, but if you guys liked it, please let me know by commenting below and liking this video. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.